How to export an image in Photoshop. So you've been working on the photo and you're ready to export it. You go to File, Export. If you need to do it quickly, you can go Quick Export as PNG. And just like saving a file, you tell it what folder you want it to go in, give it a name, and hit Save. Now, if you need more control on how you export something, go to File, Export, Export As, and this gives you the option to select the format, PNG, JPG, GIF, or SVG. Now, say you need to upload an image to a website with particular guidelines. Say it needs to be a JPEG, you can click on that, and perhaps it needs to be under 1 megabyte. So if you look over here, that'll tell you the size of the file you'd be exporting. You can then just go to Quality and bring that down under 1 megabyte and let it recalculate. And let's do a little bit lower. And there we go, that'd be under 1 megabyte. Then I would hit Export. Same thing, it'll ask me to name it and where I want to send it. I'll call that 2 and hit Save. And that is how you export an image in Photoshop. If this answered your Photoshop question without wasting any of your time, I'd appreciate it if you like the video, and while you're down there, hit subscribe.